Hey y'all, it's Mary, and I got my Stitch Fix. Y'all, I'm exhausted, but when I saw Stitch Fix, I'm like, I gotta open that. I gotta open that. I have cut it open already. Stitch Fix is a styling service that you can get for yourself, for the men in your life, the children in your life, and you can get anything clothing-wise from them, really. I don't think they have undergarments, but you get blouses, dresses, slacks, shoes, purses, skirts, jewelry, all kinds of stuff. Here comes blue. And I mostly just get tops because I am picky about things, and I'm sort of in between sizes blue. So if you sign up under me, you'll get $25 to go ahead and get a fix. And your fix costs $20 for the styling fee. So if you don't keep anything at all, then you're out no money at all. I get $25 also if you sign up under me. If you do keep anything, you get that $25 off what you keep. And if you keep everything, which for adults is 5 pieces, then you get 25% off. And they always send a bag that you can put your items back in, because the shipping is free both ways. Anything you get and anything you send back is free shipping. And blue, goodness sakes, he just wants to be right here. So I did open the box. They send you an envelope. In the envelope is your pricing guide, and also your note from your stylist, and also how to wear your items with other pieces. And some of the other pieces are pieces that you already have in your wardrobe, and just your stylist, chats with you a little bit, and then the pricing. So this is what it looks like when you get it. It is nicely wrapped, and I will try everything out for you. All right, I have all tops. So this is the first one. This is very nice. It has like a cuff that is stitched. I think it's stitched. Yeah, it's stitched right here. A little bit of a cuff. It's black with white flowers, and these white flowers are somewhat raised. The collar is like a mandarin collar, I think they call that. No button. And then it comes down here. And I like this. It's not long or anything. Let me see. Let me move that a little bit that way. You still can't see. Okay. So it's not real long, but it's nice, very nice. It's comfortable on, feels good. It's not see-through, I like that. That's the first one. This is the second one. And it's cute for the summer, for the spring. It has this little, I don't know what you call this. It's pleated a little bit, and then it lets loose here at the waistline. And the sleeve is adorable. The sleeve has little open areas, and it's just a round collar, and it's a pretty floral pattern with several different colors in there. Turquoise, you got blue, and there's some green, which is really pretty, like a lime green, and this little flouncy around, little ruffle around the sleeve. And it's comfortable. Here's the third one. This is a V-neck, and it has a little bit of, it's a little big on me, right in the shoulder. I have another blouse similar to this. It's probably the same brand. But see, this little poofy here is a little off my shoulder, and I think it should be more up. But it has elastic at the sleeve, which I normally don't like, but this doesn't, it's not grabbing onto me, so I'm okay with it. And I love the color. It's like a muted type of green, and it's a little bit longer. Very pretty. And then there's this one. This is also a V-neck. It looks like it's buttoned down, but it's not. It does have these little buttons on it. Can you see them? Just for decoration. Pretty pattern. Little cute little sleeves, flouncy sleeves. I don't like to show that much arm, but I've done it because Stitch Fix has sent me things that I've been a little uncomfortable with, but I end up keeping it and I like it. And this would be great for summer. Great for summer around here. It gets hot and it's a little bit longer. Very nice. I just put this over the last blouse. This is a sweater, very heavy sweater. I really don't even need this right now. I would have to hold this till the fall to use it. Most likely, I might be able to wear it 1 or 2 days because it is still cold in the morning here. We've had a frost this morning actually, but this is really pretty. It's a little bit long in the sleeve, but I don't mind that at all. It's heavy. It's heavy. It's beautiful. It's it's like a chenille yarn, and then it's like a mixed media thing, because then it has this stuff here is a different fabric. Like it is a sweatery type fabric, but it's like sewn in differently. Can you see that? Isn't that interesting? It's interesting. It's really beautiful to see in person. And it has pockets, which is my favorite thing for something to have. Let me move back and maybe you can see. I hope I get the whole thing in. I'm not sure that I am getting the whole thing in because there's cats at my feet. It is a little long in the sleeve. It's a little big feeling, but I think this is the kind of thing, like people call this like a shacket, because it's a sweater slash jacket, because it's very warm. It's very warm. And I love the colors. I love the olive green. Love it. So I've looked at my stylist is Larissa W. And Larissa has been my stylist for a couple of times now. And so she said she took note that I don't like rayon. I love they have some beautiful rayon blouses, but I'm not real good at taking care of rayon. But I may try them in the future because I've been told by a few people how to take care of them better so that they don't shrink. That's my problem. Is I have had 2 blouses from them that shrunk the first time I washed them. And all I did was wash them, and then I put them in the dryer for like 5 or 10 minutes and then hung them up, and they shrunk. So not much, but a little. So she's saying that she took note of that, and she's telling me what I can piece together and that type of thing, and she hopes I like everything. So that's basically what that is. And then we have our price list, and Camille laying down on the clothes. Oh, Camille. All right. She does say that she picked they send you an email, not the first time, y'all. It didn't happen to me the first time, so I don't think it would happen for you. After your first stitch, or your first fix, I should say, then they'll send you an email that says your fix is coming, and they show you about 10 items, and they ask you what you think about them, if you'd like to be included or not. So I only like 2 of the 10 things they showed me, so those are in here. And then they have what they call freestyle area, where you can buy things if you want to buy things outright, which I have done. And also you can like them. There's a little tab you can color in, and it means you like it. So she said that she looked at my list and sent me some things from my list. So I'm excited about that, because some of the things one of the things I picked was on sale. Okay, let's see what I got. The first thing I tried on, if I can get Camille off of it, what is this? I don't know. See, it's hard. The list is hard to follow, in my opinion. Paper Moon. This is the company Paper Moon. And everything they choose for me is a 2X, because I wear 1X. I can wear 2X on some things, but some things are a little big on here. This fit me perfectly. See, so you just don't know. This is nice. The thing about this one, though, it's heavy. It's a heavy nylon, but these flowers are beautiful. And this would be really nice, evening out or something. It's very, very pretty, and I can wear this to work. But the thing is, now it's going to be getting very, very hot here soon. So this might be a little hot to wear. Although when you're in, the office, my office gets cold, the grocery store is cold, that type of thing. So it might be just fine. This has a cuff that is turned up here on the sleeve. It's pretty. I really like it. This one is Paper Moon. Sadie Relaxed Blouse. Oh, it says that it's navy. Y'all, this is not navy. This is black. Navy. All right, wait a second. There's another Paper Moon. I'm sorry. I don't think I have anything here that's navy, so that threw me. This must be the Clementa split neck textured, yes, black. $49 for this one. Their quality, I will tell you this, their quality is excellent. Except for me shrinking a few things. This is the back detail of this. You see, I don't know that you can see because it's black, but it has a little bit of an extra bit, you know, pulled here. It's hard to show you all that. Okay, $49 for that. Next, I tried on this one, I think, right, was next. This might be what they're calling navy. See, they don't say floral. I'm sorry, my hair's a wreck. I tried to fix it. This one is, yes, Paper Moon also. This is really pretty. I like the colors to it. It has a lot of colors, so, you know, I can really do some nice eye makeup with this. And I also, this is the sleeve that was, that I didn't know until I got it, that the sleeve has this open area. It's pretty. And a little bit of a what am I trying to say? Whatever that's called. I've lost all my words all of a sudden. And then it has this detail in the front. I like that one a lot. I like the colors. I like it for summer. That one is the Sadie Relaxed Blouse, $44. And next up, I tried this one on. This is the one that is a longer sleeve. Let's see the brand name. It's Monday Fun. I think this is, see, Monday Fun also is Fun to Fun, the number 2. So I think this is the Kinney Smocked Sleeve Blouse because it says it's green. And this is a very muted green, almost a gray. It is a gray green. And this is the sleeve on this is pretty. Elastic sleeve, I don't normally like that, but only if because most of the time they bother me. This one did not bother me. To me, it seemed a little big. It's a little off my shoulder. I have another blouse that has this kind of little puckered sleeve going on, and I'm sure it's probably the same brand, and it is a little big on me, but I still wear it. This is the longer one, the tunic, maybe not tunic, but I like it. And that one is, how much is that one? $49. And then there's the blouse that I'm wearing that y'all, it has these buttons. They're nice. They're little buttons with fabric on them. You know, they're pretty, but it's just for show. And see, this might even be a little big on me too. You can trade for a smaller size or bigger size, whatever you need, and that shipping is free. But I'm not, I have to check with them. If I send it back to get a smaller size and the smaller size doesn't fit me, then what do I do? I don't know. If then, will they swap back and give me back the bigger one? I don't know. Or maybe they'll let you keep these until you get the other so you can compare. That's what I'd like to be able to do. That's what I would do if I was at the store. But this saves me so much time because I hate going shopping. So this one is, I have it on. Why did I leave this one on? This would be the Monday Fun Elena Flutter Sleeve Blouse, and this is $45. This is the flutter sleeve. It is very, very pretty for summer. It shows, see, it shows a little too much of my flabby arms, but I have a blouse with some sleeve. I have a couple from last summer that I like because it took me out of my comfort zone, yes, but okay. Now here is the sweater, which is fabulous. This sweater is B-O-B-E-A-U. I've had that brand before. This is called the Diamond Open Front Cardigan in olive, okay? And there's no way to show you, unless you come over to my house, how fabulous this is because the texture is incredible. Maybe you can see a little bit, but it is like a chenille yarn, like I said, and then it has these other patches that are also, you know, knitted or crocheted, and it's just it's just spaced out like this. It makes it look like a, let's see. I mean, it has a pattern going to it. And this is on sale for $43.97. I forget what the regular price is. I'm going to find out. The full price is $74, y'all. So $43.97. That's a great deal. That's $30 off. I really like that. It looks like a camouflage type of a pattern. It came in different colors. There's one that the background is cream color with these patches. And that one looks more like an animal print. And maybe this does look like an animal print. I don't know, but I love it. And I would wear this like crazy in the fall. And it's beautiful. I love it. It's a little big on me, but I think we want a sweater to be a little big, right? But maybe, I don't know. I don't know. I'm going to have to think about all these and maybe ask them some questions about, see, I don't want to be pulling on my blouse all the time because it's too big. But okay, the total of this is $230.97. The buy all discount is 25% off of that, so $57.74. So this would be $173.23 for all 5 pieces. Yeah, I think that's well worth these items. Well worth these items. So I'll have to make some decisions. Y'all tell me what you think, because I'm going to have these for a few days. I've extended checking out because I want to think about it. So y'all, thanks for stopping by to see what I got, and let me know what you think. And y'all take care and count your blessings. Bye-bye.